Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda and I'm from Amanda Crochets, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make the easy bud stitch. This stitch is an easy one row repeat that is perfect for beginners, as all you need to know are 3 basic stitches to complete this pattern. You can make this for a variety of projects such as scarves or blankets, and I really find that you can change up the coloring for this and use either a solid color like I did today, or you can use a variegated color. And the stitch is pretty much the same on both sides, and it just provides a nice little texture to it. So let's get started on today's tutorial on learning how to make the bud stitch. For today's tutorial, I'm just going to be using some worsted weight yarn, and this is Hobby Lobby. I love this yarn. And I'm going to be using a size I 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. You can use any yarn or hook size that you would like to make the bud stitch, as this is just a practice swatch. So the bud stitch is a multiple of 2. So as long as you have a multiple of 2 for your chain, you can make this as big or as small as you would like. Again, as this is just a small sample swatch, I'm just going to make a chain of 14. So to make a chain, you're going to yarn over your hook and pull through that loop on your hook. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So once you have your multiple of 2, we can begin row 1. For row 1, you're going to make a single crochet into the second chain from the hook. So that loop on your hook does not count. You're going to count 2 chains. So 1 and 2. And in that second chain, you're going to make a single crochet. So insert your hook into that second chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2. And that completes your single crochet. Next, you're going to make a single crochet in the next chain. So in that very next chain, you're going to go ahead and insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2. And again, that creates a single crochet. Next, you're going to skip the next chain, and you're going to make a single crochet and a double crochet in the next chain. So you're going to skip that very next chain right here, and in the chain after that, you're going to go ahead and make your single crochet, and you're going to make a double crochet in that very same stitch. So yarn over your hook, insert your hook into that same chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And that completes your double crochet. So now you're going to repeat this across. So you're going to skip the next chain, and you're going to make a single crochet and a double crochet into the next chain. And again, you're going to repeat this until you have 3 chains remaining. So skip that next chain, and in the chain after that, you're going to make a single crochet and a double crochet. Again, that double crochet is yarn over your hook, insert your hook into that same chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Skip the next chain, and in the chain after that, make a single crochet and a double crochet. Skip the next chain, and in the chain after that, make a single crochet and a double crochet. And again, you're going to repeat that all the way across until you have 3 chains remaining. So I'm over at the end of my first row and I have 3 chains remaining. So I'm going to skip 1 chain and I'm going to make 1 single crochet in each of the last 2 chains. So skip that next chain, into the chain after that, make a single crochet, and in that final chain, make a single crochet. And that completes row 1. So for row 2, you're going to go ahead and chain 1. And the chain 1 does not count as a stitch. You're going to make a half double crochet in the very first stitch. So that single crochet from the previous row, you're going to make a half double crochet. So yarn over your hook, insert your hook into that stitch, that very first stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. And that is your half double crochet. Next, you're going to half double crochet into the next stitch. So again, yarn over your hook, insert your hook into that next single crochet, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Next, you're going to single crochet and double crochet into the next double crochet. So that means in that next stitch that is going to be your double crochet from the previous row. So you're going to work on the top of that double crochet. So you're going to make a single crochet and then you're going to make a double crochet into that same stitch. Next, you're going to skip the next stitch, which is going to be the single crochet, and you're going to repeat this across by making a single and a double crochet into the next stitch. So you are always going to be working in the double crochets from the previous row, and you're going to be skipping the single crochet. So skip that next stitch, and in the stitch after that, which should be your double crochet, you're going to make a single crochet and a double crochet. Okay, skip that next stitch, and then stitch after that, make a single crochet and a double crochet. Skip that next stitch, and in the stitch after that, make a single crochet and a double crochet. Okay, so now you should have 3 stitches remaining. So you're going to skip the next stitch, and in the last 2 stitches you're going to make 1 half double crochet. So skip the next stitch, and then stitch after that, make a half double crochet, and in that very last stitch of your row, make a half double crochet. And that is what 2 rows looks like. So now you're going to repeat row 2 for the pattern. So I will show you one more time. Chain 1 and turn. In that very first stitch, you're going to make a half double crochet. In the next stitch, you're going to make a half double crochet. You're going to make a single crochet and a double crochet into that next stitch, which again is your double crochet from the previous row. So make your single crochet and your double crochet. You're going to skip the next stitch, which is your single crochet from the previous row. In that very next stitch, you're going to work a single crochet and a double crochet. Skip that next stitch and work a single crochet and a double crochet into the next. Skip the next stitch, and in the stitch after that make a single crochet and a double crochet. When you get to the last 3 stitches of your row, you're going to skip 1 stitch and you're going to make 1 half double crochet in the last 2 stitches. Okay, so that is basically what the bud stitch is going to look like. I'm going to make a few more rows just to show you exactly what this stitch is going to look like if you make your project a little bit bigger, and I will meet back up with you and show you what that looks like. Okay, so here is what a few more rows looks like for your bud stitch. And this is a very easy 1 row repeat pattern. You can make this in a variety of projects such as scarves or blankets or anything else that you would like to make. Again, it's a very easy stitch, and all you need to know are 3 basic crochet stitches, which are the single crochet, half double crochet, and the double crochet. So thank you so much for joining me today on learning how to make the bud stitch. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Please like, comment, and subscribe to see all future videos by me. And as always, happy crocheting! Bye!